Write note on Money Bill. Ans. Money Bill Article 110. 1. Defines that a money bill is a bill which contains only provisions with respect to all or any of the following matters. A. The imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any tax. B. The regulation of the borrowing of money or the giving of any guarantee by the Government of India. C. The custody of the consolidated fund or the contingency fund, the payment or withdrawal of money from such fund. D. The appropriation of money out of the consolidated fund of India. E. The declaring of any expenditure to be charged on the consolidated fund of India. F. The receipt of money on account of the consolidated fund of India or the public account of India, or the custody or issue of such money or the audit of the accounts of the Union or of a state. G. Any matter incidental to any of the matters specified in sub-clauses A to F. But a bill is not money bill by reason only that it provides for A. The imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties, or B. The payment of fees for license or service rendered, or C. Imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any tax by any local authority or body for local purposes. Article 113, 2. If any question arises whether bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha shall be final. So when a bill is sent to the Rajya Sabha or presented to the President for assent, a certificate of the Speaker shall be endorsed on it that it is a money bill. Article 110, 4. A money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. It cannot be introduced in Rajya Sabha. Article 109, 1. A money bill can only be introduced with the recommendation of the President. However, no recommendation of the President is necessary for the moving of an amendment taking provision for the reduction or abolition of any tax. Article 117, 1, Proviso. After a money bill has been passed by the Lok Sabha, it is sent to the Rajya Sabha for its recommendations. The Rajya Sabha must return the bill to the Lok Sabha within 14 days from the receipt of the bill with its recommendation. The Lok Sabha may either accept or reject all or any of the recommendations of the Rajya Sabha. If the Lok Sabha accepts any of the recommendations by the Lok Sabha, the money bill shall be deemed to have been passed by both houses with the amendments by the Rajya Sabha and accepted by the Lok Sabha. If a money bill passed by the Lok Sabha and sent to the Rajya Sabha for its recommendations is not returned to the Lok Sabha within 14 days, the bill shall be deemed to have been passed by both houses at the expiration of the said 14 days period in the form in which it was passed by the Lok Sabha. Thus the Rajya Sabha can at most detain a money bill for 14 days only. Article 109. If the Lok Sabha rejects all the recommendations of the Rajya Sabha, the bill shall be deemed to have been passed by both houses in the form in which it was passed by the Lok Sabha. Then it will be presented to the